Yeah, good morning, guys. We are going to be looking at three-phase generator, maybe to charge your lithium battery. Probably you install a three-phase, and you want to know the size of breaker that can accommodate your installation. You know, this is the formula we are going to be. Let's assume you have a 60 kVA and you want to use to charge your installation. You need to also factor the load at the same time during charging, and also another load that the generator will pick. You have to put it into factors. So let's assume a 60 kVA generator. So for you to know the amp of each phase determine the voltage of your generator. For instance, a three phase, if you use your multimeter to test it, sometimes you will get 380, you will get 400, at maximum 450. You get, if you want to test the voltage of a three phase to phase, you will have 380 volts. You have 390, okay, 400 volts, and 415 volts. Okay, but depends of the voltage your generator is producing. That is how you will determine the actual amp of your phase. This is the formula. You have to apply this formula. KVA times 1000 divided by what? Root 3 times voltage. As you can see, let us assume we have a 60 kVA generator, and this is 60 kVA. Can someone help us? 60, now it becomes 60 times 1000. So what is square root 3? Can somebody help us with square root 3? I think that should be 1.73. Check. 1.73. Square root of 3. 1.73. Okay. 1.73. Okay. Probably when you test your voltage, okay, we are going to use 415 volts because it's a three phase to phase. Just use your multimeter to test each of the phase to phase, the voltage that is giving you. So that is what you are going to apply in this particular formula. Let's use 415. So now we are coming to this place. 60 times 1000, that is 60,000. Am I right? Yes. 60,000. 1.73 times 415. 1.73 times 415. 1.73 times 415 is what? 717 point what? 95. So now 60,000 divided by 717.95. 60,000 83.571 amps. So approximately, let's say 84. Approximately, let's say 84 amps. Each line of your generator, you can see each phase of your generator is approximately 84 amps. So if you use 400 or 380 at a three phase, to apply in this voltage, you will see that you will get similar, maybe 89 amps, 83 amps. So, but the reason why we are doing this calculation is for you to know the size of breaker that you are going to use. That is for your generator. So the required breaker that is suitable to power your 60 kVA is MCCB 100 amps. So if you use 80 amps at full capacity, your generator will be tripping off. Hope this is clear for those of you that ask us to make this calculation. So we are doing this video for you so that you will know how to troubleshoot. Check your load. It's very simple. Just check your load. So this is ProStar Technica. Our mission is to make sure that every one of us in this field know what we are doing, not to cause a problem, not to cause hazard on domestic and industrial facility. So you can reach us on our page any day, anytime. We will reply you within 24 hours. So this is just the simple formula for single phase. For those of you that want to ask for single phase, it's very simple. Just take use your voltage to divide your load. You see that it will give you the required ampage. I've done that for single phase before. So thank you guys. So you can reach us, or if you're in Nigeria, reach us on 081 60 44. I come again, 081 60 44 97 36. So this is the formula. Just know this formula. Okay. I is equals to kVA times 1000 or 3 times the voltage. The voltage determine the voltage your generator is producing. As I said, don't forget, some generator producing face-to-face produce 380, depends on the generator and the automatic regulator. So if you vary it, some voltage will increase, some will decrease. So I am applying 450 in this place. Still, God bless you. Remain blessed.